If you never ever tried using a battle rope workout before, guess what? You are missing out. Today, I'm gonna show you 5 tips on how to start using battle rope for a complete beginner. This will help you start using battle rope safely. Coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to Find Your Max channel, where we will be helping you get started from 0 to 1 on the journey to the best you in physique transformation. So today we're going to talk about how to get started using battle rope workout for a complete beginner. I got 5 tips for you that can help you to get set up and avoid injuries. Alright guys, the first tip is the fact that when you get a rope, you gotta learn how to anchor it properly, okay? I did a video before, so you can check it out up here right now. But it's basically very easy, where you just need to find a very sturdy structure where you can wrap your rope around it so it doesn't move around. If you don't have a pole or anything, it's okay. You can use weight as well. You can check the video up above, and then I have explained a lot more about anchoring your rope. But again, that is very important, so that's the tip number 1. Tip number 2 is learning how to grip, okay? Learning how to grip is super important. First of all, when you are grabbing the rope, most of the rope would have some sort of wrapping around at the end. So there are actually 2 ways of grabbing the rope. So number 1 is you will grab it like this. There is another way of grabbing the rope, which is you just grab it like this, like a whip. Right, like a whip. Most of my exercise, I would do it like this, except for a couple of the battle rope workout, I would go the other way. All right, so what's important about the grip? You don't want to grab it too tight, okay? You want to just grab it, you want to hold it, that is enough to hold the rope. As long as they're not like flying out of your hand, that's okay. But you don't want to like squeeze them. Okay, you don't want to do that. Why you don't want to squeeze the rope is the fact that your arm is not gonna last as long, okay? Because usually each of the battle rope routine, you're looking at about like a 30 seconds interval. And because our arm is such a small muscle group that your arm might actually get burned out before we are able to raise our heart rate up to the level that we want it. You just wanna grab it enough. And another little tip for you guys is I would not grab it the very end. I would kind of, get my knuckle, kind of just grab it where the wrapping just starts. I found I got more control on the rope. Tip number 3 is the distance between the rope, okay? I want to make sure I leave some slack, okay? I don't want to go all the way back, because this way the rope is tightened and it doesn't get that nice movement, okay? So for battle rope, you want to make sure you get that nice fluid waves from the beginning till the end, okay? That is the objective. You want to make sure you get the wave all the way till the end. So if you're like tightening it up, guess what? It's not gonna work. All right, guys. Before we go to tip number 4, leave a comment down below. Let me know, have you ever tried battle rope before? Okay. Tip number 4 is important, which is your arm positioning. So on the movements, on the arm positioning and your foot placement, okay? All right, so for beginner battle rope workouts, most people would actually do the alternating waves or the waves, okay? So when you're doing that, most of the exercises, you want to make sure you are in control. So you want to make sure your core is in control, okay? Your body is control. You don't want to do any of this. See, I'm not in control, right? I want to be in control. So what I'll do is I am in athletic stance, feet to shoulder apart, and then you kind of just sit back a little bit, okay? You're a little bouncy, and then you tighten your core, and then you would just start whipping the rope. So this is alternating waves, and a lot of the beginners would start with that. But what you're to be noticing is I'm not doing this. Okay, this is not good because I am not in control. You want to make sure your back shoulder blades are tightened, cores are tightened. Sit back and tighten it up, okay? You want to make sure your rope movement should be between your eye level and your belly button. That is the movement where you want to, okay? Another thing I want to talk about is not to lean back. I want you to lean a little bit forward. I just want to be an athletic stance. I don't want you to lean back, you know, like, what's this, right? No, that is going to affect your level of results on your workouts. So the last tip I want to tell you is about when you're doing any of the battle rope workout, especially high intensity interval training or HIIT, you want explosive, okay? You want during whatever your working segment is, usually it's like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, some people are more advanced, you're looking at like 40 seconds. But during that working out session, you want to do the best you can. The reason why is you want to raise your heart rate to almost like 80%, 90% max capacity. So what that does, it pump all the blood to our body, okay? And that's where you're gonna see the fat burning results. So that's very, very important. You don't want to slack off when you're on battle rope. Battle rope workout is one of the best workout out there that you can use to lose fat, to train your cardiovascular systems. You can also tone your muscles, also conditioning your body. So the cool thing about battle rope is that it doesn't take a lot of time because we're using high intensity interval training. This is gonna help you to shred fat like butter super quickly, okay? Now you can check out the video down below for work along battle rope workout. Peace.